Sa ibang venue na mabibigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga personalidad na idinawit sa maanumalyang flood control projects na idepensa ang kanilang mga sarili. Ito ang binigyang diin ni House Infrastructure Committee Co-Chairperson Terry Redon kasabay ng pag-anunsyo ngayong araw na sususpendihin muna ang investigasyon upang magbigay daan sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI. Sabi ni Redon, hindi pa tiyak kung kailan magbabalik ang pagdinig ng Infracom pero hanggat gumugulong ang pagsisiyasat ng ICI, makakaasa ng full cooperation mula sa Kamara.
Within the next few days, the Infracom will turn over all transcripts, documents, and other pieces of information and evidence to the ICI. And it is our commitment to fully cooperate with the ICI on any and every aspect of our previous proceedings. The Infracom hearings have resulted in the following: the resignation of members of the PICAP over allegations of unexplained wealth and licenses for sale, the disclosure of 1 billion pesos in cash assets of MT Samidan Construction, one of the 15 largest flood control contractors named by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the disclosure of the financial statements of all Vizcaya-linked firms from 2014 to 2023.
Ipinaliwanag ni Redon na maaaring magpaliwanag ang mga personalidad at mambabatas na isinangkot sa korupsyon sa pamamagitan ng law enforcement agencies. Kabilang narito si Ako Bicol Party List Representative Elizalde Co na sinasabing nasa ibang bansa sa kasalukuyan.
We're giving way to the proceedings of the ICI. Will be the ICI and all other law enforcement agencies that will be implementing the mandate of the ICI. So all the named legislators, including Congressman Zaldico, will have to explain themselves before the Department of Justice, the ICI, the AMLC, among other agencies that are looking into all of the circumstances relating to flood control corruption.
Bagamat ipinatigil muna ang investigasyon ng Infracom, iginiit ni Redon na mayroon pa namang ibang accountability measures laban kay Co.
Well, at the moment, may accountability measures na ginagawa, no? So may ethics probe, no? Na ipapatupad laban kay Congressman Zaldico. Ito po ay sinubmit ni Congressman Toby Chanco. So I think the ethics probe on him will proceed.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.